Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the Bitcoin gain 0.4% against the dollar. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the pound gain 0.4% against the dollar. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
A Texas federal jury found that Google and its video platform YouTube owe nearly $26 million for infringing a streaming video patent owned by VideoShare LLC. British inflation has hit a 10-year high as household energy bills rocket, bolstering expectations the Bank of England will raise interest rates in December. Deutsche Bank analyst Marion Lebour believes Bitcoin must overcome extreme volatility, high transaction costs, and its large carbon footprint before it can be used more widely as a global payment option.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. initial jobless claims will be released at 13:30 GMT. The U.S. continuing jobless claims at 13:30 GMT. The Dutch unemployment rate at 05:30 GMT. Japan's National Consumer Price Index will be released at 23:30 GMT. Canada's ADP employment change at 13:30 GMT. Korea's Producer Price Index growth at 2100 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.